Anna Lou and I just came back from a hike, and you know, when you're out in the woods and it's hot during the summertime, sometimes you need a way to refresh.
Yeah.
Today we're making some mocktails with some juice, seltzer water, Washington fruits, and some fresh mint. I'm gonna make for you a cherry lime mojito.
Okay.
How's that sound?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, so it's pretty simple. First, we begin by adding some Washington cherries. Then we go ahead and add a couple of lime quarters. And then we give it a quick muddle. We're gonna take some Washington mint. You're gonna clap that mint together.
Oh, I can smell
you
it.
Smell that? Yep, yeah. Now go ahead and muddle that mint in there. We then add some ice. There you go. Then we add some seltzer water. And then we give it a good stir.
Wow.
Ooh, look at that. That's nice. I got another one for you.
More?
All right, let's do another one.
We begin by mixing apple and cranberry juice. Next, we add some fresh cranberries and apple slices. Then Dad adds some ice and seltzer to finish it off.
Ooh, look at that
gradient.
Look at that beautiful thing.
Yeah.
That's Washington in a glass right there for you. All right, give it a try. And there you have an apple cranberry mocktail.
That's really good.
Is that great?
Yeah, it's like cider, but not.
You can have one of those. I'm gonna have one of these. After a long day of hiking, it's nice to just kick back and relax.
Cheers.
Cheers, all right. Ooh, I like mine. To learn how to make this recipe and many others, head on over to wagrown.com.